Hey there. I hope you are having an amazing day. I wanted to take just a second and show you something that I and my team we've been working on for a pretty good amount of time, and it's a labor of love. It's something that I've really poured a lot of passion and thought into, and I thought you would really enjoy it. Before you get started, if you don't know me, my name is Shantha Wetterhan, and I help real estate professionals elevate their marketing and branding. And I do this through training, coaching, and also resources like the one that I am getting ready to show you right now. Okay, so I have right here on my screen, I'm actually sharing my screen with you, and I'm logged into the Real Estate Marketing Society. It's actually the Canva Template Society. So this portal, I'm actually showing you access to a membership, and it's my membership. It's brand new, and this membership has every single real estate marketing material that you will need in order to enhance your brand. So if you head on over, if you sign up, what you'll get are so many graphics, social media graphics. You'll get mortgage tip graphics, closing tip graphics, seller guides, buyer guides, relocation planners. And all you have to do is simply download this content in Canva. And what you'll do is you'll actually update everything. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Let's download the relocation planner. And so what we'll do is go ahead, we'll click download, and the planner opens up. We'll download here, and then we'll click use template. And voila, here we go. We actually have a beautiful planner. And the best thing to do is to actually open this planner up in, you can actually open this up in Canva. And the best thing to do with this planner is to actually customize this. So you can rename the planner, whatever your name is, or whatever can help you find it in the future. And then what you'll do is you'll just go through and actually maybe change the brand colors. This is my brand color. And the beauty of Canva is you can do this with just a couple clicks of a button. So I'll click change all. And I'm actually going to change this photo here. I have some photos uploaded in Canva, some really nice photos. So I might even use one of my uploaded photos. If I go over here to projects and go to folders here, and I can scroll down, as you can see, I have lots of different folders and things, a lot of stock photos, a lot of folders that I can access different types of content from. And if you have stock photos uploaded to Canva, or you can use Canva's free photos, you can pretty much update this and make it your own. So I'm just going to simply click my stock photo folder, and I'll actually choose something that is, real estate, something that maybe is on par with my brand. And so if I wanted to use this planner, like I said, I would just go through and make updates. You can even delete any pages. Maybe you don't want to include certain pages. You can do that as well. And then the last page of the planner, my suggestion is you definitely add a page at the end that includes your contact information. So let's go ahead. We'll grab my headshot here. I have a folder here with my headshot in it. So we'll go back to projects. We'll go back to folder. And then I'll just search up my name because I know the folder is listed under my name here. Let's see, folders, here are my headshots. I'll go ahead and let's flip the headshot. It's always best to flip your headshot toward the information. So I'll just go ahead and plug in my headshot here. I'll even maybe even go to the text feature and look up the word address or contact information. And then what we can do is actually use that contact information. I'll update this, maybe use my name, and my fonts are Poppins. And so I'll probably just go ahead and change the font like so. So there you have it. You have a nice relocation planner. So, like I said, inside of this membership, there are so many things that you can take access of. For example, the holidays are coming up. We can actually do, use the holiday graphics that we have loaded here. It's always a great time to start getting your audience excited about the holidays. That's a great way to get engagement. It's a great way to get people checking back with you, checking your profile and your content. If you go ahead and click download here, you'll be able to open up all the holiday graphics that we have. So we have some New Year graphics. We have Martin Luther King Jr. Day. There's President's Day, Memorial Day, 4th of July, Labor Day. There's a lot of different graphics and things here that you can all you have to do is just simply download, and you'll be able to access all of our graphics, all of our content. You don't have to struggle anymore about worrying uh, whether or not your graphics look good. You don't have to waste time creating your graphics from scratch or maybe struggling with the templates that Canva offers. You have everything pretty much laid out here for you. Another cool feature is the fact that I've loaded 6 different email signatures for you to choose from. And so if you go ahead and download your email signature here, you can open up the email signature, and once you do that, you can customize that as well. You can use your headshots, your contact information. So we'll just click use template, and you have an email signature here. Even if you don't like this shape, you can delete that, and you can delete the frame, and you can come up to elements. And if you search up the word frame here in Canva, you'll be able to use maybe a circle frame that you like. And what we'll do is, again, we'll go back to my headshot folder there. I'll type up my name. And there we go. We have headshots to choose from. I'll just plug in a headshot there. Oh, my head's a little cut off there. Let's choose one that's better, easier seen. And so all you have to do in order to use this is download it as an MP4 or PNG, probably a PNG if it's, your email signature. But there are so many things, and I am so proud of this membership, and I'm excited. I'm excited for you that you don't have to struggle anymore with your marketing, with your content as well. We have business cards here, Instagram highlights. We have Instagram landing pages, which are really cool. I want to show you quickly how to get your landing page. This is actually going to be the link when people go to your bio on Instagram and click your link. This is going to drive them to all your social media, to your website, to your different links. So we'll go ahead and open this up. And as you can see, here is a landing page. What you'll do, of course, you'll update this with your headshot, and you will go ahead and you will embed your different links that you want people to go to. And then you'll come up here to Canva. The best thing to do is click share. You want to click the view link, and then the ideal link for you to have is a bit.ly link. So you do want to grab the view link from Canva. So all you're going to do is click share, click view link only, and then you're actually going to click create new. And then once you click create new, you're going to go to bit.ly, of course, and then click link. And then you're actually going to create a bit.ly link. And so you're just going to go ahead and create your link, and the bit.ly link will populate, will generate, and then you'll be able to place that link anywhere that your website link is housed. So anywhere on social media where you can plop in the link to your website, this essentially will operate like a landing page for your business, for your brand. Okay. So again, there are so many amazing things inside of this membership. One of the things that you'll get, one of the accesses is the Ultimate Canva Masterclass. So if you become a member in the Canva Template Society, you get so many different graphics, so many different designs, hundreds and hundreds of graphics and designs. Every time you see a graphic or design here, there are 30 behind it. So there are 30 home buying terms, 30 national holiday graphics, 30 national day graphics, 30 positive quote graphics. So you have so many graphics, and content that you can use for your social media. And at the same time, if you sign up for this, you also get access to the replay, the Ultimate Canva Masterclass. Now, if you want to join us live and be there with us live virtual, the Ultimate Canva Masterclass is on the 8th of December. So I would love to have you there. I'll probably include a link somewhere that you're watching this video. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this mini show and tell of the Canva Template Society. And I hope you have a great day, and we'll talk soon. Take care.